Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. So on today's video, I wanted to start a series on the things that I pack and how I pack and what I pack with on a series I want to call Let's Get Packing. So I wanted to start off with something that's pretty self-explanatory, at least for me, and very much a necessity and something that I use every time I go somewhere. So I'm a very organized person and like OCD style, so I kind of like packing because I like to organize things, but it's very important to me that it be organized in a certain way, and I need things to be easy to find, especially when I'm putting things in my suitcase. So today I wanted to show you guys what I use to pack. Now this is not a sponsored video, though it should be. So what I use to pack all of my clothes in are these Gonex packing cubes. These are amazing and a lifesaver, and actually very inexpensive, to be honest. So these are amazing and I use them every time I go anywhere. So basically what they are, they're individual cubes, packing cubes, to put all of your different clothes in, and so I love packing with it. So the one that I have, let's open it. All right, so what we have is we have a laundry bag here, and now I just stick all of my dirty clothes in here, and sometimes if I'm somewhere for a long time, I might do laundry there at the hotel or whatever, but these are not that big. It's kind of my only sort of criticism, but I actually have two of them, but I might even like need more because these don't hold a ton of clothes. Mostly I'd probably stick to putting like socks and underwear into them, but I also like put shirts and stuff, but it's only good for like maybe a couple days worth of clothes, but yes, I still love them. Then you have like the small one, which they're actually pretty roomy. I put like my underwear in one and then like my socks in another one because I have two of those. Then you have the small size. This is good for like shirts or other shorts, things like that. You know, I mean, I'm not gonna tell you like necessarily how to organize your stuff. This is just what I do. Then we have a large one. And again, these are like very roomy. They hold like a ton of clothes, and then they just zip up. It's very nice. It kind of almost like compressions your clothes as well. And then we have like the really big extra large size. Normally I'll put pants or shirts in here depending on how long I'll be gone, how many pants I want to take. Jeans and stuff and pants actually are a lot bigger than shorts, so even when I fold them up, so it kind of depends. But yeah, I love these things, and packing with them is just like amazing. They are so easy to use, and I just store so much stuff into them. So let me just give you like a quick demo of how I do it and the way that I organize everything, and then from there I have like a little bit of a special surprise for you guys, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's go. Okay, so I'm sorry the angle is terrible. There's not really a good way to get an angle while doing this, but anyways, so normally what I do is I put my shoes, so this is like the suitcase that I have. Obviously this is not like, or this is the way that I pack if I'm going somewhere for like just a couple of days, but it honestly depends. I have a much bigger suitcase than this. This is just carry-on size. But normally I put my shoes at the bottom, so like I'll kind of put them like this. And then if I have like shoes that are more like this, I might just kind of like set them in here, right? So then that covers like the entire bottom of the suitcase. And then next, I'm not gonna use like the extra large one just because I don't really need it right now. Normally I put like a bunch of shirts or a bunch of pants into that one, but since I'm not really gonna use that, it doesn't matter. So I'll just start with the large one, and then I'm just gonna put a pair of pants in them. Now, so normally what I do is actually like roll my pants up like this, and I do the same thing like with my shirts because it's easier to like pack them that way whenever you're packing like a lot, and then I'll kind of like set it in here like this and then set them side by side. But since I'm only gonna be packing for like a couple of days, we'll just kind of set it in here normally folded, and then you just zip it up and set it on like one side. Now obviously it's probably gonna be better if I kind of like rolled them up for this, but you know, because normally I like bring my other PlayStation with me, but for the purposes of this video it'd be fine. So then the next thing we're gonna do is do a few shirts, just set them in here like so, and then I also do the same sort of rolling up thing with the shirts. I love this shirt. So normally I just kind of set it like this and roll it up, and then that's actually like saves you a lot of space in terms of like packing, because this will be a lot smaller than like this, but you know, we're just gonna leave it like this right now. So then just zip this up and put it next in here, and that actually creates a lot of space like right there. And then we have these small ones. So like I said, I have like 2 of them. So what I normally do is put like boxers in one and then socks in the other one, but you know, if I'm going somewhere like a couple of days, I might just use the same one. So you can like put box right there, socks right there, and zip it up, and then just set that right there. And then we just kind of put this wherever. Normally I'll put this like right here. But I love how much more of a clean, organized look that gives it. And then I know where everything is when I need something. If I need boxers or socks, I just grab this tiny one. If I need shirts, I grab this one. If I need pants or shorts, I grab this one. Like, and then it makes it so much easier too in terms of putting things in like a dresser. Like if I go somewhere and I want to like put everything in a dresser so that way I don't have to continuously go back to my suitcase, then I can just pull out these bags, set everything in the dresser the same way I have my dresser at home organized, and it makes it so much easier. It's like so much better to do. So these are amazing. All right, so I am officially like extremely like hot right now. Oh, I'm in one of my closets. Yeah, I actually like need to pack because I'm leaving in a couple of days to go out of town for work. So yeah, like while filming this video, I actually kind of did a little bit of packing. So 2 birds, 1 stone. Anyway, so I know that I told you at the beginning of the video that I had like a sort of surprise or whatever. And that surprise is that I am going to be giving one of you the bags that I bought. Well, not giving you the actual bags that I use, but I'm gonna buy some for you off of Amazon. I actually bought mine off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. They come in a few different colors, like red, orange, green, yellow, blue, I think, or what the colors are. Anyway, so I will be getting those for you. I'm going to be getting the second one. There's like 3 different options. There's one for like $15.99, then there's like $25.99, and then there's like the 36 or something. So I'm gonna be getting you the $25.99 one, which comes with I think like 5 cubes and like 1 laundry bag or whatever. So all you have to do in order to get that is to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Be sure in the comment you include what color you want, so that way make it easier. And then in, let's give it, I don't know, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I will pick a winner and I'll announce it in next Let's Get Packing video. And then from there, I'll contact you and send you the bags. So let me tell you, they're amazing and absolutely worth it, and you guys should definitely buy them. Again, not sponsored, though it should be. But anyways, so thanks, and if you guys like this video, please do feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and also enter the sweepstakes as well. And I'll see you guys around the world. Bye.